All right, you guys, today we're at the NCM Motorsports Park. We're for Bowling Greens, Cards and Coffee, and then there's also a Porsche event. I don't know if we'll just do one video or two video, but we'll let you know in the title. But let's get into this event. Let's check it out. There's some sweet rides here. It's gonna be a good day. All right, guys, we're gonna do two videos from this event. As you see all the Porsches out there getting ready. We're going to film those, but we're going to head over here to the Cars and Coffee first. So if you want to see the racing, hit the subscribe button and turn your bell notifications on. Also, if you like this type of stuff, please smash that like button. It helps us grow, helps us reach people. Let's get into these cars. So you guys, we're out here in Bowling Green, right next to the Corvette Museum. We've covered it a couple of times. We might end up going today. Who knows what the day brings? We're already out this way.
Say something about it or something. I don't think I've ever seen it. No, I would remember it.
Oh, did you? Yeah, finally got the dust off. Only ordered the windshield, and I got disturbed when I broke the small rock.
Mm-hmm.
Everything wrong. Didn't make any more good.
All right.
This is our first time out at this event, but I think we'll be back. Pretty sure we will. It's I think last Saturday of the month. We'll post it below in the description. Also a link to the motorsports so you can check out events that are going on here, this location.
My wife is something me. I would do that.
You never know who you're going to come up with. Yeah.
And the announcer's like, oh yeah, here we go, we got to be.
I've had a couple. What year is this yours? Yeah, this is mine. This is 23. And this is 23.
I just got it 2 days ago.
Oh, wow. Yep.
It's a wild color, GT500. All right, back into this Corvette. Loving the graphics. C8R. Here's V8 turbo. Sylvia.
Uncle Dave had one. He had to like bounce it up and down to like get enough traction to fill up.
Oh shit.
Thank you. This is kind of cool. They have a cornhole area set up. So they have a go-kart area too here. What do you guys think? Should we slap on a GoPro one of these days and go rip around on some karts? There's a new go-kart place by Nashville. Music City Motorplex, I think, or golf cart. But maybe we should check it out sometime. Get some friends together, go racing. All right, back into the car show. 400 horsepower LS2 and a Chevy SS. Didn't like these when they first came out, but kind of growing on me. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's got an LS motor in it. '87 K5.
And I've always been a purist. I like
Beautiful.
For you?
Yeah. Ooh, look what we see. Damn. That'd be a fun truck.
I like that one.
All right, if you guys haven't yet, please hit that like button. It helps us out. Consider subscribing. It means the world. We're trying to get to 25,000 by the end of the year. We need your guys' help to get there. And we go to more car shows. The more viewers we get, it helps us out and going to these events. Nice Supras.
Yeah, have you
No, what are you talking about?
You gotta be on there at 8 a.m. every morning and pray.
Did you just schedule something online? You gotta come up. I know that. It's all the way back here. And the corners. Birth certificate and all that crap. No, it's fine. I did it only for fun. He was right next to me. I was right there the whole time.
It's not 1,000.
That's how you get to
Fly off of it after I hit the barrier. Yeah, I'll turn right around here.
How are you guys?
You either set up auto record as like a dash cam, or
Damn.
What's going on, baby?
what up, brother?
I just showed you.
Good.
This is beautiful. Wow. Wow.
6 days. 6 days. That detail, that paint on that. I got the truck back ready.
Somebody had a lot of time in that car.
Yeah, I saw him. Yeah, I've done. Oh, that's different.
Yeah.
Yeah, he dropped it off.
And I was talking about this thing, I think he was saying was 700 right now. SS. And then he has a 69 Camaro.
back of the car and the dumpster over there.
So hopefully,
I'm just waiting for it.
Beautiful Bel Air. Malibu.
I've not driven.
All right, guys, that was an awesome car cruise Bowling Green at the NCM Motorsports. We're about to go check out the Porsche event. We're going to make that another video. So if you subscribe, hit the bell notification, you'll get notified when we post that. If you haven't yet, check out video on the left and the right. We go to a lot of car shows, events around, and we like taking you guys with us. We'll see you next time.